told us we have certain set of problems. Thank you very much. I've seen a first customer in our career in 2008 after starting the company in 2005. A customer who has got a requirement saying that I need this. Very good. Then we sat with them. What is the problems? We have all this set of problems. What is the solution? And what is the outcome? We could derive value out there. And the customer is happy today. That one customer has made us profitable because we had only sold to one guy, maybe. But we never lost a single customer. How many of our customers today we have? Not a single customer we lost. If it is lost, it's only because that customer had closed down. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. I think I have taken more than 10 minutes already. If you are with your permission, maybe one more slide I can show. Yeah? All of you, agree? Agree? Sir, with your permission. Okay, so we have built a kind of, a very simple tool which is capable to cater to the need of that customer. He wants to just to know how to optimize their fleets, how to see the maximum efficiency out there. Okay? So it was a custom-made solution, what is asked by the client. If he can do that for multiple clients, he start earning revenues, he start making some kind of a profitability, then they will never leave you. Because now if I tell him I will not continue this, he only will chase me. He'll say, you cannot do that. If I tell them I am going to close the company, no, nothing doing. Yeah? Simple. Okay? So we have got some benefits, and so we have got all these clients today. Very reputed names in the industry. Now I leave it for questions. Because now I don't have more time, sorry. Right, sir? Please, any questions? Thank you. You have a question? Please.
Yeah.
Can you slide back to list of statistics for drivers?
This one? This one?
Next. For example, no, next.
Previous one?
No, there was statistic about driver activity. Who is the best driver based on
Yeah. Pay as you drive.
Can you please describe some?
Okay, very good. As far as my understanding goes, there is a lot of opportunity in a space if you can derive a solution which will cater to a requirement called pay as you drive. Why do you pay insurance premium when you don't drive your car? Because today's traffic conditions, you hardly drive 1,000 kilometers. Whereas one taxi fellow is driving at mad. He pays the same premium as what you pay. Am I right? So if there is a mechanism which can derive the premium, what need to be paid? It has already been happening in abroad. It's called pay as you drive. Depending upon the kilometers driven and the driving habits, you can derive the premium. Now answering to your question, how do you measure the performance of a driver? We can measure the performance with respect to speeding, harsh braking, reckless driving, etc., etc. There are so many parameters which we can measure out of his, maybe his throttling, acceleration, deceleration. There are accelerometers which will help you to know that how he has been driving. There are technologies which are available. End of the day, you need to bring down all those technologies together to bring a solid system which will measure the performance and say that what is the kind of premium to be paid by that end user. We know there are good drivers and bad drivers. I think in US and other countries, in case there is a teenage driver, they don't even get insurance unless until they pay a heavy premium for it because they are supposed to be the rash drivers. So similar way, there is an opportunity, but for India is concerned, I don't see that that is the immediate need what we have. We need to look at a different proposition. This is a long shot, maybe other 10 years down. I don't know. I'm nobody to predict. But even then. But today, there is a growing demand or need. For example, safety security of school children. How do you mitigate that? This is a very important area to be thought about. Because today we see there are a lot of problems associated in the school. I think in Middle East there is a problem which is already the government has made it as a mandatory requirement. So like that, we need to understand what market it will work. One. Second thing is the provider, he is not the guy who has to pay from his pocket and deliver a solution. Everybody talk, I have a cheaper solution, I have a cheaper solution. I go to a customer and say, we have the costliest solution if you want. Then only I'll come, otherwise I am not interested to waste my time. Why? Because he himself doesn't know what he wants. Yeah? Why do you premium service? We are here in this hotel today. How much is the cost? We could have had it in the roadside, isn't it? What is the difference? You get a premium service. You want that or not, you decide. If you don't know what you want, then how can I give something? So this problem need to be addressed. Anyways, that is one problem. Second thing is, maybe with the desperation, people go run after saying, I will give you 10 rupees less. That's not right. No, he is killing himself. So that's what I was telling you here. I think there is a slide which talk about how do we set, how to select a solution. You build a business case, evaluate the solutions and the provider, assess the solution, then you have a warning if the vendor drop the price. Be careful. This is the message of what I want to tell you. That means he is ready to compromise somewhere, either on quality or service, somewhere. He is not able to commit to the governance or improvement. And otherwise he is going to overcommit on that. Then, if you are not able to, derive all these things together, I am very sure that implementation can be a failure. And what is the point in having a implementation failed? It's a national waste. Money has lost. I've seen people are sitting and telling, yes, we have invested millions and billions into, millions of rupees into it and we lost it. What is the point? So let us educate ourselves, let us make a system such that there is a governance body, or I don't know, you are all the people to do it. It's only my sincere, humble request. If somebody can, I will be there at the back of them. I cannot lead because I don't have that kind of muscle or strength and capabilities. Maybe we may have to earn that capabilities in the future coming, and of course we will do it. If this forum doesn't respond, I will find a forum and I will be doing that as my commitment. I am telling you guys, you same subject in all the forums if I get a chance. Nothing else. Not about my technology. Sorry. Now you people need to tell me. Thank you so much for listening to me for this many minutes. And my first appearance on a crowd. Thank you.